Good evening, all of you. Today I am talking about Alumex PLC. They are the content. First topic is the self-introduction. Second topic is about the company. Third topic is the ratio analysis. Fourth topic is the recommendation. And final topic is the conclusion. First topic is the self-introduction. My name is Avishka Lakshan Senadeera. I am the currently following High National Diploma in Accountancy. My index number is Gampaha Accountancy 2021 Part-Time 16. I complete my skill education St. Anthony's College Vattala. I am living in Vattala. I highly interested in field of finance and accounting. My ambition to become a finance manager one day. I am motivated to developing my knowledge and professional experience to achieve them. Second topic is about the company. Today I am going to briefly introduce the company Alumex PLC, which is the one lending Alumex execution manufacturing in Sri Lanka. The company was originally established in 1986 and later listed as the public limited company in 2014. Over the year, Alumex PLC has a growing significant and well-strong reputation element industry. The main business PLC manufacturing supply of aluminium extrusion product. These products widely used in the construction, architecture and industrial application across the country. The main shareholder company Helix PLC. When considering the leadership company, the chairman, Mr. Mohan Panditage and Chief Executive Officer, who is the also Managing Director, Mr. Paramka Dadivela. Their leadership play key role guiding the company's strategic direction and growth. The reporting period analyzed 1st of April 2024 to 31st March 2025. Key features: the total asset the company amount Lankan rupees 16.5 billion, indicating a strong asset base and finance stability. The company record EBIT Lankan rupees 1.91 billion, which reflect it is sold operating performance. When considering taxation, the company paid Lankan rupees 274 million, and after all expenses, the profit after Lankan rupees 867 million. This shows that company generating a healthy level of net profit. In the term of revenue, Alumex PLC achieved Lankan rupees 14.3 billion. Strong market presence and consistency demand of the product. Additionally, the company employs 1,001 staff members, highlighting it is contributing to employee and the economy. Third topic are the ratio analysis. Alumex PLC comparing the finance performance between 2024 and 2025. First, ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is the process of using the financial ratio to evaluate the company performance and financial position. In this analysis, I will focus five main categories: profitability, liquidity, efficiency, solvency, and investor valuation. Start with the profitability ratio. Under the topic I am choosing in the first topic is the gross profit margin. The gross profit margin slightly decreases 20% 62 in 2024 to 20% 15 in 2025. This indicates that the company maintains relatively stable production cost structure. Under the topic is the I am choosing in the second topic is the net profit margin. However, the net profit margin significantly increasing from 1.69 to 6.5. This shows that the company has improved overall profitability by the controlling expenses and increasing the net earning. Next, look in the liquidity ratio. The current ratio is the decrease in silage from 1.9 to 1.6. This means the company still judge enough current assets to cover the short-term liability, but with a small decline. There are the liquid ratio is the final I am choosing the quick ratio. On the other hand, the quick ratio improved from the 0.38 to 0.50. This indicating the better short-term liquidity without relying on the inventory. Moving to efficiency ratio, the asset turnover increasing from 0.85 time to 0.87 time. This shows that companies using the asset are the more efficiency to generate the revenue. Also, the inventory turnover ratio improved from 1.7 time to 2.11 time, indicating the fast movement of inventory and better inventory management. Now considering the solvency ratio, the debt ratio increased 0.46 to 0.72. This suggests that the higher portion company asset is the finance through debt increase in the financial risk. Similarly, the debt to equity ratio from the 1.57 to 2.56, which indicates that the company relying the more borrow fund to compare in the shareholder equity. Finally, under the investor valuation, the earning per share increased in the significantly from 0.31 to 1.45. This positive sign for the investor as the showing the highly return per shares. The additional dividend payout ratio increasing from 0 point in 2024 to 27.59 in 2025, meaning the company has a start distributing the profit to its shareholder. In conclusion, Alumex PLC showing the strong improvement, profitability and efficiency when liquidity remains stable. However, the increase in the debt ratio indicating the higher financial risk which the company should manage in the carefully in the future. Fourth topic are the recommendation. Based on ratio analysis Alumex PLC, I would like to present several key recommendations for the improvement. Start with the profitability ratio. Although the net profit margin has improved, the gross profit margin is a silent decreasing indicator, rising in the production cost. Therefore, the company should focus on reducing costs, negotiation better price with the supplier, and improve the operation efficiency to maintain long-term profitability. Next, regarding the liquidity ratio, both the current ratio and quick ratio remaining relatively low, which may lead to short-term liquidity issues. To address the company should improve the cash flow management, control unnecessary expenses, maintain adequate liquidity assist, and managing the receivable more effective. Moving to efficiency ratio. While asset utilization has improved, inventory management still requires attention. The company should optimize the inventory level, avoiding the outstocking, and implement better demand forecasting techniques to reducing cost and enhance efficiency. In terms of the solvency ratio, the increase in debt level indicating the higher financial risk, the company should reduce its dependency on the external borrowing, consider using in the internal fund or equity finance, and the strength financial planning and controlling to ensure long-term stability. Finally, looking at the investor valuation ratio, the improvement in earning per share and the introduction of dividend payment are the positive sign. The company should continue to maintain stability, profitability, and adopt a consistent dividend policy to build the investor confidence and attract a potential investor. In conclusion, in the recommendation, by focus on cost control, liquidity management, efficiency operation, and reducing financial risk, Alumex PLC can future overall performance is the straight in the future. Final topic is the conclusion. In this conclusion analysis of Alumex PLC shows the company has achieved strong improvement in profitability. The shareholder return during in the current year, however, there are some important challenges, particularly in the liquidity management, increase in the debt level that slow the inventory movement. Therefore, it is important for the company to focus on improvement cash flow, reducing financial risk, and enhancing the operation efficiency. By addressing these areas, Alumex PLC can ensure long-term stability and sustainable growth in future. End of session. You can have any question, please comment on my YouTube channel. Best of luck.